paragraph, and based on that certain statements are given. Based on this we are supposed to find out the answer of these 3 questions that is given to us. अब यहाँ से हम एक एक चीज़ पढ़ेंगे एंड डायग्राम अगेन एक टेबल बनाते जाएंगे. So 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E and F have been painted with 6 different colors. So it is given 6 box हैं and they are painted with 6 different colors. All these colors are given. Each box contains a ball of any one of the following 6 games. Now every box is containing a ball and all of these balls are of different games. तो box है, हर box का अपना कलर है एंड हर बॉक्स में एक बॉल है जो कि अलग अलग गेम्स की है. तो वील हैव टू मेक अ टेबल वेयर यू हैव बॉक्सेस एंड देयर रिस्पेक्टिव कलर्स एंड बॉल्स गिवन. नाउ द गोल्फ बॉल इज इन वायलेट बॉक्स एंड इट इज नॉट इन बॉक्स डी. तो यहाँ बनाएंगे, लेट्स से golf ball is in violet box and it is not in box D. So we don't know कि कहाँ है golf ball, किस बॉक्स में, नंबर ऑफ बॉक्स हमें यहाँ पे नहीं पता है कि किस बॉक्स में. what we know is golf ball is in violet box and वो D में नहीं है, this is for sure. box A which contains the tennis ball is in orange color and is at the extreme right. अब यहाँ पर समझो कि ये जो बॉक्सेस हैं दे आर नॉट अरेंज्ड इन दिस फैशन. दे आर नॉट अरेंज्ड A B C D E F ऐसे करके अरेंज नहीं किया है. दे आर ऑल्सो अरेंज्ड इन सम रैंडम फैशन. तो हमें उसका भी अरेंजमेंट निकालना है कि कौन लेफ्ट में है कौन राइट में है बेस्ड ऑन द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन. इसीलिए वी आर नॉट मेकिंग इट डायरेक्टली A B C D E F G H. तो लेट्स यूज दिस स्टेटमेंट एज आवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट दैट बॉक्स A विच कंटेन्स द टेनिस बॉल. तो यहाँ पर 6 बॉक्सेस हैं, पहले 6 बॉक्सेस बना लेते हैं. लेट्स से दीज आर 6 बॉक्सेस. एक्सट्रीम राइट एंड पे यू हैव बॉक्स नंबर्ड A विच कंटेन्स टेनिस बॉल एंड इज ऑरेंज कलर. तो इट इज ऑरेंज इन कलर and it consists of tennis ball. So this is what is given. So I have used the second statement right now. अभी पहले वाले को I am not using because I don't know where is box D, but for sure I know golf ball is in violet box. Next is hockey ball is neither in box D nor in E. So right now I am not using this, that this is not there. Box C having cricket ball is painted green. अब ये भी नहीं पता बॉक्स सी कहाँ है, लेकिन यहाँ पर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बॉक्स सी अनदर इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. इट सेज बॉक्स सी इज 5th फ्रॉम द राइट एंड नेक्स्ट टू बॉक्स बी. So box C is 5th from the right. So from right side 5th one is box C. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So this is box C and is having a cricket ball and is painted green. So this is painted green and it is having a cricket ball. So this is what information I have used abhi. I have used this particular information that it is having a cricket ball and box C is 5th from the right next to box B. Now where is box B? Either here or here. यहाँ कहीं है box B. The most important thing here in doing such questions is to read statement in some smart way, in some logical manner. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ जहाँ information I can directly make it in a box, I am just focusing on that information first. जहाँ position of any particular box can be determined. जैसे ये दिया हुआ था extreme right है, जैसे ये दिया है 5th, तो I can directly determine their positions and I can directly fit them here. इसीलिए सबसे पहले वो बना रहे हैं. अब रिलेटिव टू बॉक्स सी आई नो बॉक्स बी इज नियर टू इट, इधर हियर और हियर. देखते हैं कोई और इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है क्या बॉक्स बी के बारे में. तो बॉक्स बी कंटेन्स वॉलीबॉल, दिस इज व्हाट वी नो. बॉक्स बी इज कंटेनिंग वॉलीबॉल and with respect to volleyball I have another information here that box containing hockey is between golf ball and volleyball. If box that is containing hockey is between golf and volleyball is box B, that means B should not be lying here, क्योंकि अगर B यहाँ आ गया वॉलीबॉल यहाँ आएगा तो जो आपका हॉकी बॉल है वो कहाँ जाएगा, Hockey ball was supposed to be between golf ball and volleyball. Hockey ball was supposed to be between golf and volleyball. But यहाँ पर वॉली के साइड में कोई जगह ही नहीं है, तो volleyball was supposed to come here. So this is B, which is containing volleyball, and it is near to. This is B containing volleyball, and it is near to C. So I have made this, that box C is fifth from the right next to box B. Box B contains volleyball, and box containing hockey ball is between boxes containing golf and volleyball. So boxes containing golf यही होना चाहिए, और ये हो गया हॉकी. तो हॉकी is between golf and volleyball. This is also sorted. So this is done. ये भी हो गया, ये सारे हो गए. Hockey ball is neither in the box painted blue nor in the box painted yellow. तो ये blue या yellow नहीं होना चाहिए, सॉरी ये blue या yellow नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका ध्यान रखेंगे. चलिए, तो अभी this much information is used. अब let's focus on all those statements that we have left. Golf ball is in violet box and is not in box D. So golf ball is in violet box and is not in box D. So this is not D, this is what I know. So this is, I have used this particular statement. ये छोड़ा था, hockey ball is neither in box D nor in E. So hockey ball is neither in box D nor in E. Now focus, we have this 6 places. D cannot come here, D cannot come here. Can I say D is supposed to come here only? तो अब यहीं पर D आएगा, तो these 2 places goes to E. कहीं पर E होगा, कहीं पर F होगा, देखते हैं. तो hockey ball is neither in D and E used. Last says hockey ball is neither in box painted blue. So hockey ball is neither in box painted blue. ये blue में नहीं है. Nor in box painted yellow. So this is neither blue nor yellow. Now focus on the colors that are left. So colors में you have violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and so on. So Vibgyor वाले color है. Violet, indigo is left, blue नहीं हो सकता, green, you are left with indigo, blue and yellow, but blue and yellow cannot lie here. That means you have only indigo. बाकी सारे कलर्स फिल हो गए हैं, ब्लू और येलो बचे हैं जो यहाँ नहीं आ सकते. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट ब्लू, दिस इज नॉट येलो, ब्लू एंड येलो यहीं कहीं जाएंगे. तो दिस इज गिवन. So this statement is also used. So right now we have all of this. What is this ball that is left? Now we have, कौन सी बॉल बच गई यहाँ पे? We are left with hockey, tennis, golf, football, cricket. So cricket is done. Hockey, tennis, football is left. So this is supposed to be football. क्योंकि सारी balls हो गई थी, बस एक football बची थी. So now we have deciphered this much information from all of this that is given to us. Also एक और चीज़, E cannot lie here because hockey is not in D nor in E. So if E cannot lie here, E is supposed to go here and this particular box is F. So इतना कुछ we have deciphered using this information. Right now what is left to be deciphered is whether this is blue or yellow or this is blue or yellow. बस इतना बचा है. Let's see the questions. The question says which one of the following box contains golf ball? Now golf ball is in box numbered E. Next, which of the following statement is correct? D is painted yellow, we cannot conclusively say. F is painted indigo, F is painted indigo, yes. B is painted blue, we cannot conclusively say. So answer is F is painted indigo. The football is in box of which color? So football is in box of, we cannot determine, cannot be determined as data given is inadequate. Your answer here for 31st is data inadequate or C. Done. So this was a bit tough question, but मतलब हो सकता था एग्जाम कंडीशंस में it might be little tough to solve क्योंकि बहुत सारी information you have to interlink. Also you're supposed to read this statements partly.